U, un, o, de, a. Honestly, it sounds like I'm just making a ton of really weird noises. But in fact, these happen to be different words we use when we're talking about places and locations in French. So in this video, if you watch all the way through to the end, then you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to talk about places in French. C'est parti! What's up guys, my name is Kristen and welcome to Koala Hugs. If you're looking for help with learning French, English, tips on language learning in general, or just an all-around fun time, then be sure to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alors, which is really fun to say and yes, does make you sound a little bit like an owl, but is in fact a word in French. Two words, actually. Ou means or in English, while this one, ou, with this little thing we call an apostrophe grave, means where. So it's really important to make sure you pay attention to your accents here. With this word, there are several really useful expressions that you should know, including où habitez-vous, vous êtes d'où, et d'où viens-tu. To answer these questions, you would respond with some of these phrases. If you are being asked about your origin, where you're from, then you're going to use je suis de, followed by either your city or your country. If someone's asking you about where you are, where you currently are at, then you're going to use je suis à. And this brings us into the next thing that you need to know. The prepositions we use to talk about location of countries and continents depends entirely on those countries and continents' gender. Because yes, like all nouns in French, they too have a gender. So here's the easiest way to tell if a country is masculine or feminine. And know that with French, there is always an exception to every rule. So I'm just gonna put asterisks down at the bottom of the screen with some of the countries that are exceptions. So here's the first thing you need to know. Cities. They do not have an article. We don't use articles with them. So it's not le Paris, la Paris, it's just Paris. Je vais à Paris. A country is feminine and therefore you have to use the word la before the name whenever you're talking about it if the country ends in the letter E. So la Russie, la Chine, la Norvège, l'Écosse, all these are feminine. All other countries are going to be masculine, and therefore they're going to use the word le. So, le Guatemala, le Nicaragua, le Kenya. But then we also have some countries that, if you think about it in English, they are plural, like the United States, the Netherlands, the Philippines. And so these countries are going to use the article les. That's great and all, Kristen, but you haven't said anything about these words since the beginning of the video. So what's up with those? Yeah, fair point. So whether we use un, o, or a depends on the gender of the country. If you're talking about a city, then you're going to use the preposition à, like je vais à Paris. If you're talking about a feminine country, or the country begins with a vowel, even if it's masculine, but it begins with a vowel, then you're going to use the preposition un. And if it's masculine, then you are going to use the preposition o. And if it's a country that's plural, then you'll use this o. So some examples of this all would be je vais aux États-Unis, je suis en Allemagne, il reste en Chine, elle va au Mexique. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you enjoyed it, you even learned something, then please smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a comment, and I'll be seeing you real soon. Bye!